I hate the sound of the bell in school, it's so boring. I know, I'm gonna change all of the bell sounds to fart noises. Around 12 a.m., I'm going to sneak inside Xavier Rienzo Secondary School and I'm going to the control room and change the bell sound effect to fart noises.
Meanwhile at 12 a.m.
Now that I'm inside the control room, now I'm going to change the bell sound to fart noises. There, now I just changed it. Now let's leave before I get caught.
During Ms. D's class.
That's all for today. Your lesson today is from page 302 to 305. I'll see you tomorrow. Cut it out, class. This is not funny.
This is hilarious. That's what I like to hear for the bell.
I know. Maybe Principal Jameson got bored with the basic bell sounds, so he decided to make the bell sound to fart noises to make the whole class laugh.
This is probably my first time hearing this. I think this is a funny school prank ever.
I should do that as an April Fool's prank one day.
Same here.
God damn it, what had the world become?
During Mr. Srenson's class.
So class, that wraps everything for today. We only have a few minutes before lunch. You guys have any question? Yes, Ureli's.
Is the history of World War II part of the upcoming test?
Yes, it is. It'll be 30% of your class grade. Oh, not this again.
Never expect that. Maybe the principal decided to lighten the school mood by putting fart sounds as the bell.
The sound I probably would made after eating too much food.
I just wish they do that to every school someday.
Maybe it's not that bad after all. I still think farts are funny even when Javier plays that to disrupt class.
Meanwhile with Javier.
How many times did I have to tell you this? You're not talking to other guys ever again.
You know what? I'm done. I'm breaking up with you. I'm tired of you controlling every move I made, like what should I wear? What should I eat?
Please report to my office.
Without me, you're nothing.
Let go of me, you...
Javier, care to explain why is the bell sound our fart noise?
I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea why there is fart sounds for the bell.
Don't play dumb with me. I know that you did that. The surveillance doesn't lie. Come take a look for yourself.
Now that I'm inside the control room, now I'm going to change the bell sound to fart noises. What? How?
There is a camera in the control room around 12 a.m. You snuck inside the control room and tamper the bell sound and change it to fart noises. Now explain to me, why would you do that?
I just thought it'll be funny since the basic bell is so boring, so I decided to change it to fart noises to make the school interesting.
It doesn't matter. You don't get to decide how things run in this school just because you enjoy it. Also, you cannot go inside the control room ever to change a certain sound to a sound you like because this is not your property. Don't you know that's illegal to do that? That's it. You'll be suspended for 3 days, and I'll be changing the bell sound back to normal.
Javier, words cannot describe how mad we are. Your principal has called me, and he said that you snuck in the school at 12 a.m. to change the bell sounds with fart noises.
That's it. You're grounded until your school suspension is over. Go to your room right now.